Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Mike. It's great to see you all again. Welcome to our Sunday English lesson.
How are you doing today, Mike?
I'm doing great, Sarah, and I hope everyone watching is having a wonderful Sunday too.
Yes, Sunday is our special day together. Every Sunday, we teach you useful English idioms that you can use in real life.
That's right. Today's topic is very important. We're talking about idioms for problems and difficult situations.
Oh, everyone has problems sometimes, right?
Absolutely. So these idioms are very useful in daily conversations.
Before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, if you're new here, please click the subscribe button. It helps us so much.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It really supports our channel.
Also, share this video with your friends who are learning English. Learning together is more fun.
Okay, now let's start our lesson.
Let's do it.
So, Mike, why are we teaching idioms about problems today?
Well, Sarah, in English, we don't always say, I have a problem directly.
That's true. We use special expressions called idioms.
Exactly. For example, if your friend is in trouble, they might say, I'm in hot water.
In hot water. That sounds interesting. But what does water have to do with problems?
Good question. That's what we'll learn today. We'll teach you these idioms step by step.
Yes, and after this video, you'll sound more natural when you speak English.
Native speakers use these idioms all the time. So if you want to understand movies, TV shows, and real conversations, you need to learn them.
Don't worry, we'll make it super easy for you. Let's start with our first idiom.
Our first idiom is, in hot water.
Mike, what does this mean?
In hot water means you're in trouble or in a difficult situation.
So if I'm in hot water, I have a problem.
Yes, usually it means someone is angry with you or you did something wrong.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine you forgot your wife's birthday. You are in hot water.
Oh no, that's a big problem.
Yes, you can say, I'm in hot water with my wife. I forgot her birthday.
I see. So in hot water with someone means that person is upset with you.
Exactly. Let me give you another example. Sarah, did you ever get in trouble at work?
Well, yes. Last month I was late to an important meeting. I was in hot water with my boss.
Perfect example. You were in trouble because your boss was not happy.
Right. I had to apologize many times.
So everyone watching, remember, in hot water means you're in trouble.
You can use it in many situations, at work, at home, at school.
Let me give you more examples. A student didn't do homework. He's in hot water with his teacher.
Or a teenager broke the family car. She's in hot water with her parents.
Yes. Now, let's practice together. Everyone, repeat after me. I'm in hot water.
Good. Now say, he's in hot water with his boss.
Excellent. One more. They're in hot water because they lied.
Great job, everyone. Now you know how to use in hot water.
Remember, it's always in hot water, not on hot water or at hot water.
Good point, Mike. The preposition is very important.
Okay, let's learn our second idiom. This one is longer but very common.
What is it?
Between a rock and a hard place.
Wow, that's a long idiom. What does it mean?
It means you have two choices, but both choices are bad.
Oh, so you have a difficult decision to make.
Yes, you're stuck. No matter what you choose, there's a problem.
Can you give me an example from your life?
Sure. Last year, I had two job offers. One job paid more money, but it was very far from my home. The other job paid less, but it was close to my family.
Oh, that's difficult. What did you do?
I was between a rock and a hard place. Both options had problems.
I understand. If you took the high-paying job, you'd be far from family. If you took the low-paying job, you'd have less money.
Exactly. That's what between a rock and a hard place means.
Let me try an example. Imagine a mother has a sick child at home, but she also has an important work meeting. She's between a rock and a hard place.
Perfect example, Sarah. She can't do both things. Either choice has a problem.
Right. If she stays home, she might have trouble at work. If she goes to work, she worries about her child.
This idiom is very useful because everyone faces difficult choices sometimes.
Let me give you another example. A student wants to study abroad, but his parents need him at home. He's between a rock and a hard place.
Great! Or imagine you borrowed money from a friend, but you also need to pay rent. You're between a rock and a hard place.
Yes, both options are difficult. You need the money for rent, but you also promised your friend.
Now, let's help everyone remember this idiom. Think about it. A rock is hard, and a hard place is also hard.
So you're stuck between two hard things.
Exactly. There's no easy choice.
Let's practice. Everyone say, I'm between a rock and a hard place.
Good. Now say, she's between a rock and a hard place.
One more. We're between a rock and a hard place with this decision.
Excellent work.
Mike, we have time for a few more idioms. Should we teach some bonus ones?
Great idea. Let's teach 3 more quick idioms about problems.
Okay, the first one is up the creek without a paddle.
Oh, I know this one. It means you're in trouble and you have no solution.
Exactly. Imagine you're in a boat on a creek, but you have no paddle. You can't move.
So, if someone says, I'm up the creek without a paddle, they mean they're in big trouble.
For example, my car broke down in the middle of nowhere. I'm up the creek without a paddle.
Perfect. Next idiom, in a pickle.
In a pickle? That's a funny one.
It means you're in a difficult or awkward situation.
It's similar to in hot water, but usually a little less serious.
Right. For example, I double-booked 2 meetings at the same time, in a pickle.
Or, I promised to help 2 friends on the same day. I'm in a pickle now.
Good example. Last idiom, out of the frying pan and into the fire.
Oh, this one is interesting. What does it mean?
It means you escaped one problem, but now you have a bigger problem.
So the situation got worse, not better.
Exactly. For example, I quit my stressful job, but my new job is even more stressful. I went out of the frying pan and into the fire.
Or, I broke up with my difficult boyfriend, but my new boyfriend is worse. Out of the frying pan and into the fire.
Perfect examples. Now let's talk about when to use these idioms.
Good idea. These are informal idioms. You use them with friends, family, and colleagues.
Don't use them in very formal writing like business reports or academic papers.
But in emails to coworkers, in text messages, or in conversations, they're perfect.
Also, these idioms work for small problems and big problems.
That's right. You can say, I'm in hot water if you forgot to buy milk, or if you made a serious mistake at work.
The idiom fits both situations.
One more tip. When you use between a rock and a hard place, it's good to explain both choices.
Yes, don't just say, I'm between a rock and a hard place and stop talking.
Say, I'm between a rock and a hard place. I can do this or I can do that, but both are difficult.
That helps people understand your situation better.
Exactly. Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
We learned 5 idioms about problems and difficult situations.
First, in hot water. You're in trouble.
Second, between a rock and a hard place. You have 2 bad choices.
Third, up the creek without a paddle. You're in trouble with no solution.
Fourth, in a pickle. You're in a difficult or awkward situation.
And fifth, out of the frying pan and into the fire. You escaped one problem but found a bigger one.
These idioms are so useful in daily English.
Start using them and you'll sound more natural.
Don't be afraid to practice.
Now we want you to practice in the comments.
Yes, tell us about a time when you were in hot water.
Or tell us about a time when you were between a rock and a hard place.
You can write simple sentences. For example, I was in hot water when I lost my friend's book.
Or, I was between a rock and a hard place when I had to choose between two universities.
We read all the comments and we'll reply to you.
It's a great way to practice writing in English.
And you can learn from other people's comments too.
So please write a comment now. We're waiting to hear from you.
Don't be shy. We're all learning together.
Thank you so much for watching today's video.
We hope you learned something new and useful.
Remember, learning English takes time. Don't worry if you don't remember everything today.
You can watch this video again. You can practice slowly.
The important thing is to keep learning and keep practicing.
You're doing great. We're proud of you.
Next Sunday, we'll teach you idioms about success and good situations.
Yes, we'll learn phrases like on cloud 9 and on top of the world.
It's going to be fun and positive.
So make sure you come back next Sunday.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
And turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.
Have a wonderful week, everyone.
Keep practicing your English every day.
We believe in you.
See you next Sunday.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.